Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Naga-style tinned fish curry. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 1 can of tinned fish, preferably sardines or mackerel, along with fresh ginger, garlic, and green chilies. Don't forget a medium-sized onion, some mustard oil, and a pinch of turmeric powder. Fresh coriander and spring onions are perfect for a vibrant garnish. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the aromatic base for our curry. Begin by finely chopping 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. For that signature Naga heat, slit 3 to 4 green chilies lengthwise, adjust to your spice preference. Heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan over medium heat until it shimmers and just begins to smoke. This ensures the oil is perfectly tempered for cooking. Once your aromatics are fragrant and softened, it's time to add the star ingredient. Carefully open your can of tinned fish and add both the fish and its oil directly into the pan. Stir everything gently to combine. Now, incorporate 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt, or to taste. Let the curry simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. To finish our delicious Naga-style tinned fish curry, remove it from the heat. Generously garnish the hot curry with a handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves and a sprinkle of sliced spring onions for added freshness and color. This vibrant dish is best served immediately with a generous portion of steaming hot plain rice. Enjoy this incredibly flavorful, quick, and authentic Naga culinary experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.